What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm giving you a quick review of VideoExpress AI and whether it's worth using for fast video creation. VideoExpress AI is an AI-powered video tool designed to turn text, ideas, or scripts into short videos with visuals, animations, and captions. It's mainly aimed at creators and marketers who want to produce videos quickly without spending time on complex editing. One of the biggest strengths of VideoExpress AI is speed. You can go from a written idea to a finished video in just a few minutes. This makes it especially useful for social media content, ads, explainers, and short-form videos where speed matters more than cinematic detail. The platform is very beginner-friendly. You don't need editing experience, you just add your text, choose a style, and let the AI handle the visuals, timing, and layout. It's great for people who want results without learning traditional video software. That said, the videos can feel template-based if you rely on it too heavily. Customization is more limited compared to professional editors, and advanced creators may want more control over visuals and transitions. Overall, VideoExpress AI is a solid option if your goal is quick, simple video creation for social media or marketing. If you value speed and ease over deep creative control, it's definitely worth checking out. If this review helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.